This week's top repo uses your ordinary Wi-Fi signal to see through walls and track heart rates without any cameras. Seriously. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today as we dive into the most exciting repos on GitHub. We've got everything from AI hackers to invisible sensing technology. It's a huge day for open source contributors, and I've handpicked the best of the best to save you time. Honestly, the level of innovation right now is actually impressive. Let's jump right in. First up is Agent Skills by addyosmani. This repo is blowing up because it gives AI coding agents the production-grade engineering workflows they've been missing. We're talking quality gates and best practices used by senior engineers. It features 8/ commands that map directly to the development lifecycle. Instead of just asking for code, you use commands like /spec or /plan. Why does this matter? Because it forces agents to follow a proper process. It's already crossed 70,000 stars, and it's trending with over 1,000 new stars today. It works perfectly with Claude Code and Cursor. It ensures your agent doesn't skip the vital testing and review phases. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the best frameworks I've seen for making AI agents reliable. If you're tired of buggy code from AI, this is the solution. It's built for the way seniors actually work. The wild part is how slim the implementation is despite the power it provides. You can start using it today to sharpen your agent's skills. It's essentially a curriculum for your LLM coworkers. Next, we have RuView, and this one is genuinely jaw-dropping. It uses commodity Wi-Fi signals to perform real-time spatial intelligence and presence detection. No cameras, no pixels, just pure physics and radio frequency signals. It can actually measure breathing and heart rates through walls. Is it magic? No, it's advanced signal processing. It detects micro fluctuations in the Wi-Fi waves as they bounce off human bodies in a room. The repo is written in Rust and targets ESP32 hardware. It integrates natively with Home Assistant and Apple Home via Matter. This makes it incredibly easy to add into your existing smart home setup. With 77,000 stars total, the community is clearly obsessed. It's perfect for non-intrusive elderly care or security setups where you don't want cameras. I love how it turns standard hardware into something sci-fi. The project is super active with over 400 stars today alone. It even supports dense pose, which allows for skeletal tracking using just those Wi-Fi signals. Absolutely wild stuff for the IoT space. Moving on to claude-video by bradautomates. We've all been there where we want Claude to analyze a video, but it can't. This tool adds a /watch command that finally makes it happen. It downloads the video, extracts scene-aware frames, and transcribes the audio. Then it hands everything to Claude. By the time Claude answers, it has actually seen the footage and heard the dialogue clearly. It uses YTDLP and FFmpeg under the hood to handle the heavy lifting. If a video lacks captions, it can even fall back to the Whisper API. It's a seamless way to bridge the gap between AI and video. You can install it as a plugin for Claude Code or use it globally with NPX. It's trending with over 300 stars today, and it's quickly becoming a must-have for any AI power user. I've been testing this for summarizing tutorials, and it's a huge time saver. It's simple, effective, and fills a massive gap in the current AI ecosystem. Every Claude user needs this on their machine. Now let's talk about firecrawl. This is a massive project with nearly 150,000 stars. It's an API designed to search, scrape, and interact with the web at scale for AI agents. Extracting clean data from the web is hard, right? Firecrawl makes it easy by converting messy HTML into clean markdown that LLMs can actually understand and process without getting confused by tag soup. It's built with TypeScript and handles all the complex parts of crawling. Think about dynamic content, proxies, and anti-bot measures. It's a complete infrastructure for anyone building AI search or data extraction tools. The repo gained over 800 stars today, showing that the demand for high-quality AI data is only growing. It's open source, but they also offer a hosted version for teams who want to scale fast. If you're building a RAG application or an autonomous research agent, firecrawl is likely the best engine for the job. It's reliable, fast, and handles the absolute worst parts of the modern web for you. Have you ever hit your AI usage limit right when you were in the flow? CodexBar by Steipete is here to save your sanity. It's a tiny macOS menu bar app that tracks your AI limits It supports over 50 providers including OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. You can see your remaining tokens and when your limits reset without ever having to log into a web dashboard. It's incredibly convenient. Written in Swift, it's lightweight and feels like a native part of the OS. It's trending with nearly 600 stars today. For heavy AI users, this helps manage costs and prevents productivity-killing surprises. The UI is minimal, and stay out of your way. I love the Merge Icons mode, which keeps your menu bar clean while still giving you all the data you need for your various AI subscriptions. It's a fantastic example of a utility that solves a very specific, modern developer problem. No more guessing when your Claude window resets. It's all right there at the top of your screen. Alibaba just released zvec, and it's a game changer for local LLM memory. It's a lightweight, lightning-fast, in-process vector database built in C++ for maximum performance and low overhead. Why use zvec? Because it offers embedded speed without the complexity of a massive server-side database. It's designed specifically for agent memory and RAG applications running right on the user's device. It utilizes HNSW for similarity search, which is the gold standard for speed. It has Python and Node.js bindings, so it's accessible no matter what stack you are using to build your agents. With 13,000 stars and 300 more today, people are clearly looking for better ways to handle local semantic search. It's a great choice for mobile or desktop apps that need AI features. The focus here is on being featherweight, but powerful. It's a perfect match for the growing trend of small, localized models that don't need a massive cloud infrastructure to remember things. We can't talk about GitHub without mentioning the legend Sindresorhus. His awesome repo is trending yet again. It's the definitive collection of lists for every topic in software development imaginable. With nearly 500,000 stars, it's practically a GitHub monument. Why does it stay popular? Because there is no better place to find high-quality resources for a new language or framework. Everything in these lists is curated by the community, ensuring high signal-to-noise ratio. Whether you're into Rust, AI, or even unconventional topics, there is an official awesome list waiting for you. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I personally use it every time I start a new project to see what the best-in-class libraries are. It's a foundational piece of the open source world. Sindre's work in open source is legendary, and this repo is the hub for it all. If you haven't explored the awesome ecosystem lately, you are missing out on some incredible tools and documentation. Finally, we have Strix, and this one is pretty intense. It's an open source AI penetration testing tool. Think of it as an autonomous AI hacker that finds and fixes vulnerabilities in your apps. It has gained over 10,000 stars this week alone. It's designed to automate red teaming and bug bounties. The AI can actually understand the context of a vulnerability and suggest a real fix. This is a huge deal for security automation. Instead of static scans, you have an agent that can actively probe your stack for weaknesses. It's written in Python and is highly extensible for security pros. But wait, it gets better. It doesn't just find holes, it helps you patch them. This could drastically lower the barrier for small teams to maintain a high security posture without a massive budget. The surge in stars shows that people are hungry for AI security tools. As AI gets better at coding, it also gets better at breaking things. Strix helps you stay one step ahead of the bad guys. A massive thank you to all the contributors behind these projects for making the web a cooler place. Which one of these repos will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.